Hey there, chocolate lovers! Ever wondered how those delicious Polish chocolates are made? Well, today I'm taking you on a sweet journey inside a chocolate factory in Poland. Let's dive right in. First up, the journey begins with selecting the finest cocoa beans from around the world. These beans are thoroughly cleaned and roasted to bring out their rich flavor. Imagine the aroma filling the factory. Next, the roasted beans go through a process called winnowing. This separates the nibs from the husks. The nibs are then ground into a thick paste called cocoa mass. This is the heart of your favorite chocolate. Now comes the most fascinating part, conching. Conching is where the cocoa mass is refined to develop its smooth texture and complex flavors. This process can take several hours to even days. The longer it's conched, the smoother and creamier the chocolate. While the conching continues, sugar, milk, and cocoa butter are added to the mix. The precise proportions of these ingredients give each chocolate its unique taste. Fun fact: Polish chocolates are known for their rich and creamy texture. After all the ingredients are mixed and refined, chocolate is tempered. Tempering is crucial as it ensures the chocolate has a shiny finish and a perfect snap when you break it. It's like a science experiment, but much tastier. Finally, tempered chocolate is poured into molds, cooled, and carefully packaged. Each bar or piece is inspected to meet the highest quality standards before it reaches your hands. And there you have it. From cocoa beans to a delicious chocolate bar, that's how Polish chocolates are made. Next time you bite into a piece, you'll know all the love and care that went into it. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tours. Until next time, keep indulging your chocolate cravings.